Hi, I'm Delilah, Training and Banquet Services. I organize weddings and corporate events, making sure every detail suits the guest's cultural and religious needs. From seating plans to menus, it's about respect and smooth coordination. The Lewis model understands different communication and cultural styles, which is essential when working with diverse clients. Here are 7 tips I follow to ensure cultural sensitivity during events. Tip 1. Always ask about religious or cultural requirements early on. This includes prayer times, dietary restrictions, or dress codes. Planning ahead avoids last-minute issues. Tip 2. Use the Lewis model to identify if your clients are linear active, multi-active, or reactive. It helps adapt communication and scheduling to their preferences. For example, multi-active clients may want more flexibility with timing. Tip 3. Respect food restrictions clearly and visibly. Label dishes for halal, kosher, vegetarian, or allergens to avoid confusion. Guests appreciate transparency. Tip 4. Consider gender preferences in seating or service, especially for religious events. Separate spaces or staff may be needed. Check politely with clients. Tip 5. Be mindful of cultural customs around greetings and gift giving. Adapt your tone and gestures accordingly. Following the Lewis model, some cultures expect formal behavior, others prefer casual. Tip 6. Coordinate with all hotel departments to ensure consistent cultural respect. Banquet, kitchen, housekeeping, and front desk should be aligned. A team approach prevents misunderstandings. Tip 7. Train staff regularly on cultural sensitivity and ask for feedback. Continuous learning improves service quality. It's about respect, not assumptions. Using the Lewis model to understand these cultural nuances helps me create events where all guests feel respected and comfortable. Thanks for listening.